Ready to use this little RC truck, guys. It's a 110 scale, by the way. From Main Hobbies. Brussels truck. I forget the price, was really cheap, so I bought it. Body here. The brand of the vehicle is, that's the brand. The model of the vehicle is, I think it might be on here. But that's the company if you guys want to look it up. Right, let me show you. Right there. Right here is the company, guys, right there. With my finger's on it. Get my finger off, that's the company. Go look them up, guys, if you want a car. And let me get a thumbnail. And oh, here's the remote it comes with. Not bad. Comes with these clips. Cool. The wing it comes with, which is a flimsy wing because it's just held on by the body clip and stuff. So let's get ready to use this truck. All right, guys, here's the truck right here. And sorry if I said Hobby King, I meant Main Hobbies. Sorry, guys. Okay, we'll see how we go. Bye, truck. The view's there, okay. Let's go. Here we go. Hey guys, how are you doing today? I'm sorry, video's over.